Imagine needing a face mask quickly for an unexpected trip outside or an emergency. Let's dive into making a simple DIY face mask using common household items. First, let's briefly discuss the importance of face masks. They help protect you and others by reducing the spread of germs. You'll need a piece of cotton fabric, scissors, rubber bands or hair ties, and a coffee filter or paper towel for extra filtration. Start by cutting the cloth into a rectangle approximately 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, ensuring the edges are even. Next, fold the fabric in half, then into thirds, creating a layered effect for better filtration. Place the filter in the center of the folded fabric, emphasizing the need for the filter to stay in place. Now, attach the rubber bands or hair ties to each end of the folded fabric, about 2 centimeters from the edges. Fold the fabric ends over the bands and tuck them in to secure the bands. Finally, demonstrate how to wear the mask by hooking the rubber bands around your ears and adjusting the mask to cover your nose and mouth. Make sure it fits snugly without gaps. With these simple steps, you can create a practical and accessible face mask in minutes. Stay safe and stylish with this quick DIY solution.